Hello and welcome to LG's step-by-step guide on cleaning after doing the laundry. After your daily laundry, you should consider some routine cleaning tips to keep your washer running efficiently. It is best to always remove the laundry from the drum as soon as a washing cycle is complete. Leaving damp items in the washing machine can cause wrinkling, color transfer, and odors. Make sure you have not left anything behind inside the drum. Then, use a soft cloth and wipe the door seal and door to remove any moisture and pet hair if applicable. Also, leave the door slightly open to let the inside dry out. Now let's move on to cleaning the exterior and door. You should immediately wipe up any spills on the exterior and door of the washing machine. So if you spill something, first wipe up the spill with a damp cloth until clean. Then wipe the same area again with a dry cloth and make sure that there is no moisture left in the crevices or cabinet joints. Do not use abrasive sponges, brushes, or sharp objects to remove residue. Make sure you haven't missed a spot and that everything is dry. Now you are all set for the next load of laundry.